Text Control Getting Started tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new ASP.NET web application that uses the TX Text Control document viewer. To use the viewer, you need to download the trial version from our website. In Visual Studio, create a new ASP.NET Core MVC application and click Next. Give the project a name. Click Next to confirm. Finally, select .NET 8 as your framework and click Create. Now we need to add the required NuGet packages to our project. To do this, right-click on the project and select Manage NuGet Packages from the context menu. Select Text Control Offline Packages as the package source and click Browse to see all installed packages. For this project, we need the ASP.SDK package and the Web.DocumentViewer package. Select each of them and then click the Install button to add them. The required license file for the TX Text Control will be automatically added to the project by the NuGet package. When you publish your application, the NuGet packages also automatically copy all the necessary files to the target location. You don't have to worry about dependencies manually. Now expand the Views and Home directory to find the index view. Double-click the view and remove all the code. Add the namespace txtextcontrol.web.mvc.documentViewer. Create a container div with a specific size to host the viewer. The viewer automatically resizes to fit the size of the container. The document viewer provides an HTML helper that renders the component to the view. Inside your container div, add the HTML helper by typing @html.txtextcontrol.documentViewer and pass a settings object as a constructor. Set the doc property of the settings object to docstyle.fill to ensure that the viewer scales to the size of the div. Finally, add the render method to the HTML helper and compile and run the application. You can see that the document viewer is empty because we haven't loaded a document into it. So let's do that to bring the viewer to life. In the Solution Explorer, create a new folder named Documents and add an existing supported document to the Documents folder. For this demo, we will add the demo document in the internal TX Text Control format. Other supported formats include Office Open XML docx, doc, RTF, HTML, and PDF. In the Settings object, set the document path property to the file path of the document you just added. To see the loaded document, compile and restart the application. Let's scroll through the document to see the thumbnail sidebar in action. The document viewer provides all the typical features out of the box, including text selection, text search, zooming, multiple page views, and collaboration features such as annotations, stamps, and document comments. You can also fill in form fields and sign documents electronically. The document viewer can be used for many document processing workflow tasks and can be fully integrated into your applications and processes. In the last step of this tutorial, we will show you how to load documents from a variable instead of a file. You can also load documents from JavaScript or using view models. Replace the document path with the document data and pass a document to it. In this case, we use an HTML string that must be converted to a byte array, which is then passed to the document data property as a base 64 encoded string. The document viewer tries to detect the document format automatically by inspecting the format itself. This can be done for all supported document format types. The advantage of the document viewer is that you get a streamlined interface to all supported document formats, and not only PDF. After compiling and running the application again, you can see the loaded HTML in the document viewer, which is also selectable. This tutorial is available as a step-by-step article to go through at your own pace. Visit www.textcontrol.com and take a look at the extensive collection of Getting Started tutorials. Thank you for watching and using TX Text Control.